Let's break down NZDUSD across the monthly, weekly, and daily. Starting on the monthly time frame, this pair has been on a downtrend. From that top, around 0.74602. Since then, we can see that this price has been creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, all the way down to this support level. But instead of price coming down to create new lows, price has been in a sideways choppy market. We can see that all year. Compared to the aggression it took down, coming down to this support. As it tapped the support the first time, it came up, tapped the support, but failed to break below. But instead of that, we are seeing price going back up to come back and retest this support. So the bigger picture on the monthly time frame is still technically bearish, but it looks more like a pause than market trying to create a fresh leg downwards to create this lower low. Let's see what the weekly has for us. To the weekly time frame, this confirms exactly what we are seeing on the monthly time frame. For over a year, price has basically been stuck between support level down here and this resistance level up here. Okay, we noticed that we have had multiple touch. We had one right here, we had another one here, another one here, another one here. So we had multiple touch of this support level, showing it's a very strong support, because every time price comes down to this support level, buyers push the price to the upside. And also this resistance here is also a very strong resistance, because we see multiple touch over a year now tapping to this resistance. For every time buyers push the price up to this level, seller steps in, then push the price back down to this support level. Presently, we can see price heading back up to that resistance level right here. Okay, so let's see what the daily have for us. Now on the daily, you can see this range more clearly. Okay, it has not really been going anywhere. It comes in, tap the supports, then bounce back up. So putting together the monthly, weekly, and daily, they are all telling me the same story. This is a range. Okay, this being my resistance and this being my support. Overall, my bias here is neutral until I have a clean break above this level, or I have a clean break below this level. Put the 2025 low back in play. That's when I will act on this market. But for now, I'm just watching what price does when it gets to the support level or when it gets to resistance level, because presently it's heading towards the resistance level. So I want to see what happens if price should eventually come back to resistance level. I want to see what price will do. Will it just bounce off, or will it have that clean break above? Okay, and also if price should come down and the support level, price will do, will it just have a bounce off here and continue going back up to continue the range, or it will have that clean break below the most recent low for this market? Okay, so analysis of NZDUSD. Hope you found this helpful, and if you do, please do me a favor, like the video. Also drop a comment down below if you have any pair you want I should break down for you. See you on my next video.